Okay, your survey is done. You created the questions, you created the survey flow, and your survey looks good because your look and feel is optimized and the general settings have been finalized. You're ready to distribute the survey to your participants. How do you do that? You do that in a different tab. So here's the survey tab. That's the tab we've been working in. But you need to go to the distributions tab to distribute your survey. In the distributions tab, when you enter this for the first time, you will see this. In most cases, you want to click on Get a single reusable link. This will generate a neutral link that you can give to anybody to complete your survey. Let's see how that goes. By clicking this button, Qualtrics generates a link for your survey. And at the same time, your survey is live. Here we go. And you see that the menu will change now. This menu will now always look like, in Distributions tab, will now always look like this when you enter it. Here you can copy the survey link, and you give this to a person, they can complete your survey.